Hi! In front of me is POCO C55 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then select All Services. Tap on Autofill. Autofill with Google. And finally Google Password Manager. Now to add any password, click on this plus next to Search Passwords. Then input all of those informations. At the top you can type in any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Following that, enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, just tap on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!